We talked about the conifers. Let us talk about lesser known lineages like the cycads, the ginkgos, the knittophytes. Let's start with the cycads and the ginkgos. Cycads and the ginkgos are the only modern seed plants with flagellated sperms. Their sperms swim in a fluid produced by the plant's ovule. So the sperms swim to the egg and then fertilization happens. Also, both cycads and ginkgos produce seeds in a fleshy covering. You can see the seeds of them in the figure. They look like a fruit. Cycads, there are around 130 modern species of cycads, and they are mainly found in the tropics and the subtropics. Some of them, they look like palm trees, but they are not palm trees. They are not even relatives. In the figure below, you can find the sago palms. It is called a sago palm, but it is not a palm. This is actually a cycad. In ginkgos, most of the species got extinct. The only living species is called the ginkgo biloba, and you can find it in the streets of the cities. It is native in China. It is deciduous. That means it's not evergreen. It drops the leaves during the fall season. Why it's popular in the city streets? Because it has a pretty fan-shaped leaves, and they are resistant to insects, diseases, and even air pollution. But only the male trees are the one used in the urban landscaping, because the female trees produce seeds that have unpleasant odor. They smell bad. That's why it's not mainly planted. Only the male trees are planted in the streets. Also, you should know that the seeds of ginkgos are big. They are a plum size seeds. They are not plum seeds. It's a plum-sized seeds, and they are fleshy. So it looks like a peach. It's not a fruit. It's a seed. Also, it was used to believe that the extracts of the ginkgo biloba were used as a memory aid. They thought it helps with memory, and they thought it's a treatment for Alzheimer, but so far it did not show a consistent benefit, so it was not proven for sure yet.